Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, click on apps at the top right corner and look for calendar, then tap on it. Over here you need to pick a date, I will go with that one, and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose location over here, pick starting hour or ending one by selecting the preferable one and tap on done, but you can also click on all day event to disable or enable this feature. You can also over here take notes and even invite guests. When you're ready, click on done at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always click on it and tap on edit, then make your changes and choose done at the top right corner as well, but you can also tap on this bin icon over here, choose delete in the pop-up and get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!